Hi, I'm Mike Hancock of the Hancock Law Firm. And what I found over the years is that the majority of my clients have never had to talk with an attorney before about a problem of their own. And for that reason, in this video, I'm going to explain the process of what you can expect when you call Hancock Law Firm to discuss your legal claim. One of the main differences you're going to find with my law firm versus some of the large advertising firms is that when you call my law firm, you're actually going to have an opportunity to speak with me about your case. Not some paralegal, not some legal assistant, but you're actually going to have an opportunity to speak with me and meet with me if you want. Before we actually sit down together and before I actually talk with you on the phone, you're going to be speaking with one of my legal assistants, and they're going to take down some initial information about the nature of your case, when it happened, where it happened, how it happened, and just a brief overview of what type of case you have, whether it's a car accident case, whether it's a slip and fall case, whether it's a premises liability case or a dog bite case or a wrongful death case. My legal assistant will then pass on that information to me. If I'm available in the office at that time, I'll definitely get on the phone with you and discuss your case. And we might have a discussion about 10 or 15 minutes, and I'm going to ask you all types of questions. And by the end of that 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to be able to evaluate your claim. I'm going to be able to discuss with you whether I think it's a case that my law firm can represent you on. And at that point, if we make that decision that you want my firm to represent you, the next step will be for you to come into the office and have an in-depth consultation with me. Now, that consultation usually lasts about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, and that's with me. I meet with every single new client that my firm takes on as a new client. And you're not going to find that with any large law firm. You're not going to find that with any advertising law firm. And the reason that this is so important to me is that I can take my 28 years of experience of not only working for 8 years trying cases for the insurance industry and the remaining 20 years of representing people like yourself in injury and death claims. I can take my experience and ask you the type of questions that I know are important to be able to pursue your claim. Questions and answers to those questions that are fresh in your mind shortly after an accident happens that will affect how your claim is pursued. And so at the end of that hour to an hour and 15 minute discussion that you and I will have, if you want, at that time, if a decision is made that you want my law firm to represent you, at that time we will have and sign a fee agreement. We'll sign a bunch of authorizations that will allow me to get your medical records, your employment records if there's lost wage issues, and some other authorizations that will allow me to pursue the claim for you. So that's a brief overview of what you can expect during your initial phone call to the law firm and during your initial consultation with me at the law firm. For more questions, feel free to give me a call at 813-915-1110 or visit my website at HancockInjuryAttorneys.com. Thank you.